Welcome to Bao Ngoc English, where learning English is fun and enjoyable with Bao Ngoc. Here, we not only learn English, but also share joy and excitement throughout the learning journey with native-speaking teachers. We have developed a creative and unique method for learning English, incorporating games, stimulating stories, lively online video lessons, and direct learning opportunities with native-speaking teachers from abroad. This is a fresh and clear approach to enhancing your English communication skills. If you love English and want to learn in a fun, easy, and comfortable way, join us now. Let's build a vibrant and positive English learning community where everyone progresses every day. We will start from the basics and progress to advanced communication skills, debating, and discussions confidently in English. The Bao Ngoc channel not only provides video lessons, but also hosts weekly live streams where we can learn directly from native-speaking teachers, enhance our skills, and create an engaging and lively English learning environment. Join us on the journey of learning English and discover the new language potential within yourself. Bao Ngoc is committed to delivering quality, understandable, and enjoyable English lessons. Inspire and spread our useful mission by sharing this channel with friends, family, and everyone around you. This not only helps our channel reach more people, but also creates opportunities for everyone to join in learning and developing English skills confidently and effectively. Bao Ngoc English sincerely appreciates your support and hopes that everyone finds joy and success in their learning journey, wishing you all happiness in life. Once again, Bao Ngoc English sincerely thanks all of you for watching the video.